Welcome to Rafiq. In this video we'll learn how we can convert a octal number into binary in easy method. First you have to know what is an octal number and what is a binary number. Octal number is a number system where have only 8 digits starting from 0 till 7, and binary number is a number system where we have only 2 digits which are 0 and 1, and machine language use binary digits like 0 means off and 1 means on. Suppose we have a octal number, this one 672, and we have to convert into binary. So what we will do here, 3 digits are there, so we divide these 3 digits into 3 groups like 6, 7 and 2. Now to convert an octal number to binary we have to remember this table. Means for 0 it will be 30, for 1 it is 001, for 2 it is 001, 010 and so on. Till 7 we have to remember the binary digits to convert easily convert an octal number to binary. So first we have 6. For 6 we will write the number as 110, and the next number is 7, that is 111, and the last number is 2, which is 010. Now we can write as 672 equal, it is 110 111 010. This is converted binary of octal number 672. Now if we convert the same number into octal, this one number, how we'll do? Suppose we have this number and asks us to convert into octal. So what we'll do, we'll write the number, then divide in 3 groups from right hand side like that. This one group, this one group, and this one, and we'll write the decimal numbers of that. Like 110 means 6, 000 means 111 means 7, and 010 means 2. So that's how we can convert into octal. Now how we'll convert an octal number into hexadecimal? Suppose we have this number only and we have to convert into hexadecimal. So in hexadecimal, while we convert a octal number into binary, we keep the number in 3 digits. In hexa we have to write in 4 digits. Let's learn it later. Now suppose we have another number. Just I am putting one random number. So this number, I have to convert this number into octal. So what, first I will divide the number from right hand side into 3 digits group. So this is first group, second group, third group, fourth group, and the last group have only 2 digits, so before the number we can put 10. Now we'll write the numbers of these groups. 011 means 3, 001 means 1, 011 means again 3, and 100 means 4, and 011 means again 2. So this is the octal of binary number 011 001 011 100 011. So this is how we can easily convert an octal number into binary, or binary into hexadecimal, binary into octal. Now if we want to convert a number into hexadecimal, what we have to do? You have to do just little changes. This table we have to remember in 4 digits. Like 0 will be 401, 1 will be 0001, 2 will be 0010, and this is means we will write the number in digit of 4 groups. So everywhere we'll put one extra 0, and we'll write this table till 15. You can remember, or you can write somewhere when you are converting. Suppose 8 we will write 1000. Now 9 we'll write 1001. 10 we'll write as 10 and 10. 11 we'll write as 1011. 12 we will write as 1100. 13 we will write as 1101. 14 we will write as 1110, and 15 is 41. 1 2 3 4. Now if we have to convert this number into, suppose this octal number into hexadecimal, then what we'll do, just we'll write the number and we'll divide this number into 4 numbers group. Let's remove the spaces. Now this is the first group, this will be second group and third group, and in fourth group we'll put one extra 0. 011 means it will be 3 only, and 0010 means it is 2, and 1110 means 14, which will be E, and again 011 means 3. Now how 1110 means E? In hexadecimal, what? After 9, 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C, 13 means D, 14 means E, and 15 is F. So we'll write instead of 14 E. That's how we can convert an octal number or binary number into hexadecimal. Now how we can convert a hexadecimal number into binary. Let's see. Suppose we have this hexadecimal number A45E. We have to convert this hexadecimal number into binary. So what we will do, first we'll divide the numbers in 4 groups. A, then next group will be 4, 5, then E. Now we'll write the value of A, which is 1010. Now value of 4, which is 0100. Value of 5, which is 0101, and value of E, which is 1110. Now we'll write all the number together: 100, 010, 0100, 0101, and 1110. So this is converted into binary. Now if we have converted this hexadecimal number only into octal, then what we will do, the same number will make in 3 groups of 3 numbers from right hand side. So from this side we'll make the groups: this one group, this is second group, third group, fourth group, and the fifth group. Now we'll write the numbers. 101 means 5, then 001 means 1, 000 means 0 only, 101 means again 5, and 110 means 6. So this is how we can easily convert a hexadecimal number into octal without dividing or converting to any. I hope you have understood how we can convert a hexadecimal number into binary, or binary into a hexadecimal, or octal into binary, or octal into hexa. Just we have to keep the groups, like in octal number we have to write the number in 3-digit group, and hexadecimal we have to write the number in 4 digits group. So this is how we can easily convert octal into binary, binary into octal, octal into hexa, etc. I hope you have understood. If you still have some confusion, you can write in comment sections. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.